1 minute scalping strategy for forex trading. We are going to backtest in this video. A friend of mine was searching for a trading strategy online and stumbled upon this video. He shared it with me and I decided to backtest it. If it performs well in backtesting, we might consider live trading with it. Because Warren Buffett said, डर केवल इसलिए होता है क्योंकि आप उस चीज को नहीं जानते जो आप कर रहे हैं. नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आकाश डेयर चैनल. In this video, I will share the following. We will first look at the strategy conditions and rules. Then we will code it for strategy testing in TradingView. Next, we will conduct back testing on 3 different currency pairs. If the results are profitable, we will automate it as an algorithm and begin live trading. Now, let's go over the strategy rules. For a long entry, wait for the 50 moving average to cross over the 200 EMA. After the first crossover, look for a candle retest and ensure that a green candle closes above the 50 EMA. Then take a buy entry, set a stop loss at twice the average true range ATR range value from the entry price. If a candle closes below the 200 EMA, we will not consider it is a valid entry. We will wait for a new 50 EMA crossover with the 200 EMA. For a short entry, wait for 50 EMA to cross under 200 EMA. After the first cross under, wait for a candle retest and ensure that a red candle closes below the 50 EMA. Then take a sell entry, set the stop loss at twice the average true range ATR value from the entry price. The target is the same for both entries with 1:1.5 risk reward ratio. If the candle closes above the 200 EMA, we will not consider it a valid entry. We will wait for a new 50 EMA cross under with 200 EMA. Now, let's create a strategy script. In TradingView, based on these rules, this strategy is straightforward using only the EMA indicators, making it easy to implement. First, add the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA to our script. Check if the 50 EMA crosses over the EMA 200. Verify if the candle is retested and green candle closes above the 50 EMA. enter buy trade, place a stop loss at 2 times the ATR value and set the take profit at 1.5 times of the stop loss. For a sell signal, do the opposite. Look for the cross under 50 EMA, a candle retest, and a red candle closing below the 50 EMA. नाउ आपकी बैक टेस्टिंग स्ट्रैटेजी स्क्रिप्ट रेडी हो गई है। मूविंग ऑन टू बैक टेस्टिंग, पहले यूरो यूएसडी पे टेस्ट करते हैं। हियर इज व्हाट यू विल फाइंड। नेट प्रॉफिट इज $0, इंडिकेटिंग अ स्मॉल प्रॉफिट। परसेंटेज प्रॉफिटेबल इज 35%, which is not very impressive. Profit factor is 1.024, which is decent. Maximum drawdown is $0, which is not acceptable. Overall, this strategy is somewhat profitable on Euro USD. अगला GBP JPY पे टेस्ट करते हैं। नेट लॉस 0.46 JPY के ऊपर हो गया है। परसेंटेज प्रॉफिटेबल 30%, which is concerning. Profit factor is 0.8, indicating poor profit potential. Maximum drawdown is 0.90 JPY, which is extremely high. Now let's try it on XJUSD. A loss of $12. Percentage profitable is 22%, which is not a good. Profit factor is 0.7, not very promising. Maximum drawdown is significantly higher than the loss. Overall, this strategy is somewhat profitable on Euro USD, but not impressively so. We will not trade this pair either. Since we could not consistently find profitability, we will not proceed with automatic algorithmic trading for this strategy. तो कोई बात नहीं, हम इसी तरह आपके लिए स्ट्रेटेजीज के वीडियोस लाते रहेंगे। और कहते हैं ना, अच्छे रिजल्ट्स लाने के लिए बातों से नहीं रातों से लड़ना पड़ेगा। अगर आपको इस स्ट्रेटेजी स्क्रिप्ट का कोड चाहिए, यू कैन फाइंड लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। अगर आपको कोई स्ट्रेटेजी की बैक टेस्ट करनी है या फिर लाइव ट्रेडिंग करनी है, प्लीज लीव अ कमेंट। इफ यू नीड असिस्टेंस विद स्ट्रेटेजी बैक टेस्टिंग और एल्गो ट्रेडिंग, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन आवर नंबर। इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, प्लीज सपोर्ट अस बाय लाइकिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड क्लिकिंग द नोटिफिकेशन बेल। तो फिलहाल अभी तो चलते, स्टे ट्यून, स्टे हैप्पी एंड एंजॉय ट्रेडिंग।